How to disable HDR playback video in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable HDR playback in your Instagram videos. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, head over to your profile icon that is on the bottom right. Now tap on the hamburger icon that is on the top right. Now what you'll need to do to disable your HDR is scroll down till you find the media option. So you'll find media quality under your app and media section. Now what this HDR does is that it offers greater quality in areas of extreme brightness or darkness. So ultimately HDR content will appear brighter than the standard content. So right here, make sure that you've toggled off this button, and after you do that, you have just disabled HDR media. And yeah, it's that simple. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.